This diagram shows the basic process flow of the inventory module. Items can be ordered through the purchase order form. They can then be received and added to the inventory directly. You can transfer items to different locations using the stock transfer form. Your inventory will also automatically be deducted once items are sold through the cashier module. You can also pull out items using the pull-out form. And you can also adjust your inventory quantities using the inventory adjustment form. The product item form is where you can define your items. You can assign a unique item code for each item, as well as a barcode, if you want to use a barcode scanner. You can enter the full description of the item, as well as specify if it is a product, service, or packaged item. Packaged items are composed of several items. You can also choose which item type or group the item will fall under, and also how you want to classify it. The checkboxes on the right side allow you to specify if the item is saleable or if it is a consumable item. Also, you can indicate if it is subject to taxes. The Amounts tab is where you can configure the pricing for the item. You can also set different price levels for different types of customers. You can also set up a price schedule for the item, which lets you change the price automatically based on an effective date. The Inventory tab is where you can select the main supplier for this item, and indicate the equivalent supplier code for this item. If you buy this item by the pack, you can indicate how many individual pieces are in each pack, and what the packing unit of measurement is, such as box, or pack. You can also indicate what is the minimum quantity that should be kept in stock. If your inventory level will fall below this quantity, the system will alert the user, so that you can decide to purchase some more. The minimum reorder level will indicate your supplier's minimum quantity to order this item. You can also indicate if you want to track the serial number for this item. If the item is a package, you can indicate what items make up this package. You can also choose to upload a photo of the item. You can also define an item matrix, where you can specify two item attributes such as size and color. This is useful for certain types of items like clothing or shoes. You can also enter a purchase order for items that you want to order from your suppliers. You can select the supplier, payment terms, enter the date of purchase, expected delivery date, and other reference numbers and additional information for the transaction. You can then select the items that you want to purchase. You can also automatically create a purchase order based on items that are below the minimum stock levels, or based on sales from a previous period. You can review all your purchase orders to see how much you paid for a particular item. The inventory list form allows you to search through your product inventory. Various search and sort criteria allow you to control what data will appear on the list, and in what order. With this, you can easily see how many items you have in stock for a particular location. The pull-out form lets you pull out items from your inventory. This is useful if you need to give back some items to your supplier for exchange, or if you need to have something repaired. You can configure the reasons for pulling out an item, and indicate for each reason if it will still be retained as part of your inventory, or if it will be removed completely. This is where you can select what items you would like to pull out from your inventory. You can also transfer items from one location to another using the stock transfer form. To add an item to the stock transfer form, you can either scan its serial number, or select the item from your inventory. You can also adjust the quantity of your inventory through the inventory adjustment form. Just enter the new quantity and the reason for the adjustment. You can generate various reports to monitor your inventory. Most reports can be filtered based on the items that you want to see. It can also be sorted in different ways. This report will show your markup and margin percentages for each item in your inventory. This report will show which items are below your minimum stock levels, and also suggests the quantity that you need to reorder. This report shows which items are expiring. The stock card report shows the movement of each item. You can also generate a physical count printout, which you can use to indicate the manual physical count of each item. You can also generate a simple item price list report, which can also serve as a simple product catalog. This report is organized by item category. This is another product item list report organized by item code.